Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Access your library. Start by opening Spotify and tapping your library at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and select the Create button. Step 2. Name your playlist. Now you'll have the option to name your playlist and then tap Create to finalize it. This will take you to your new playlist. Step 3. Customizing your playlist. To download your playlist, tap the download button. Note, this requires Spotify Premium. You can also invite collaborators by tapping the plus button. For additional options, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Step 4. Adding songs. To add songs, 1. Tap Add to this playlist and search for songs. 2. Click the Add button next to a song to include it in your playlist. 3. You can also use the Search tab at the bottom. Find a song, tap the three dots and select Add to Playlist. 4. Choose an existing playlist or create a new one. Then press Done. And that's everything you need to know about how to make a playlist on Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.